Hi there, it's Olga. Welcome to the day 21 of my 25 Days of Christmas tutorial series. Today's video is about stretching your dies and creating more things that they were meant to do. I will be using Elegant Pyramid Ornament die set by Paper Discovery to create 12.5-inch Christmas star decoration. This is the die set itself. It is meant to create a pyramid box with 6 sides, and it has hexagon as a base. You can also use the same set to create 4-side and 3-side pyramids, as well as those hanging ornaments if you stick to pyramids bottom to bottom. If you want to watch how it's done, you can check out the Day 7 tutorial of this series. To create a large Christmas star, we have to die cut the base out of white paper twice. I'm using the regular drawing paper, kind of school quality. It's a lot cheaper than the regular cardstock, and it's a bit thinner too. Next, I'm going to die cut the same shape, but without the hexagon base. I'm only going to leave that small tab at the bottom here. For this project, we are going to need 6 of those shapes. As always, the tools and supplies I'm using will be listed down below in the description box, as well as on my blog. So I'm going to use those 8 shapes to build up my star. I have also die cut some decorative panels, and those are only for the decoration. I used gold mirror cardstock for that, and I've die cut this shape 24 times. The electronic die cutting machine is really a lot of help. I have also die cut the 2 snowflakes. They are from other set called Diorama Elegant Ornament. Next, I'm going to take 2 smaller pyramid bases without the hexagon bottom, and I'm going to trim off the long tabs at the sides. I'm also going to cut along the crease lines created by the die. As a result, I should get 6 triangles with the tab at the bottom. So now I am ready to start assembling the star. I have 6 pyramid bases at the moment, 2 with the bottom and 4 without the bottom, and I'm going to attach 1 additional triangle to each of those bases using the tab at the side. This way we are going to get 6 pyramid bases with 4 sides each. Also, each pyramid base is going to have 1 long tab at the side, and that is going to be enough to put the pyramid together. The next step is decorating the pyramid bases with the golden panels. I'm simply going to stick down each panel onto the triangular base created by the crease lines. I'm using a Nuvo pen with a large tip here, and I'm placing the panel onto the paper towel, and this way all the excess glue is going to be absorbed in the towel and none of it is going to get onto the right side of the panel. You can of course entirely skip this step and create your star without those additional panels. You just have to die cut the base out of pretty patterned paper. When all the triangles are attached, I'm also going to decorate the hexagon sides. So this is what I need the snowflakes for. You can of course attach any kind of decorations in the center. For instance, you can add a sentiment or use dimensional embellishments. When I'm done with the decorating, the next step is going to be folding all the elements along the creased lines. Since it's not a heavy-duty cardstock, you won't even need a bone folder. so it's quite easy step to perform. So the next step is assembling the pyramids. I only have to apply some liquid glue onto that long tab at the side, and I'm going to stick it down. You can of course use the tape adhesive, but I tend to trust my liquid glue much more. I'm using a bone folder to press down that tab at the wrong side. Before I assemble the very last pyramid, I'm going to trim off its tip with the scissors. Then I'm going to fold a piece of ribbon in half, and I'm going to attach it inside the pyramid using the hot glue gun. Then I can finish assembling the pyramid, so I'm applying some glue again onto the tab and I'm sticking it down. This way one of the pyramids is going to have a loop at the top, and I will be able to hang this star onto a wall or onto the Christmas tree. So now I just have to attach all those pyramids to each other using the small tabs at the bottom. I'm applying some glue to the small tab and I'm attaching it at the wrong side of the hexagon, and then I'm attaching the two adjacent tabs to one another. I prefer using hot glue because it dries within seconds and you don't have to hold down the pieces for too long. I keep moving the same way, first attaching the short tab onto the hexagon and then attaching the two short tabs together at the sides. When all 6 arms of the star are connected, I only have to attach the second hexagon to all the remaining tabs. I tend to apply glue onto one tab at a time since it's too quick drying. It's convenient to stick down the opposite side first, and then it's easier to do with the rest of them. The glue gun I'm using is by We Are Memory Keepers, and it has a really fine tip, which is really helpful for paper crafting projects like this one. As a last finishing touch, I'm going to add some plastic jewels onto the snowflake as well as all around it. There are 4 sizes of jewels in the bag, and I'm starting by adding the largest one in the center, then I'm adding smaller ones around the image, and I'm finishing off by scattering the smallest one all around the snowflake. And that finishes my project for today. I really like how this star turned out. It's 12.5 inches in diameter and it's 2 inches deep. You can use this star not only as a hanging ornament, but also as a Christmas tree topper. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back soon with the project number 22, and I hope to see you again. Have a beautiful day.